Yeah, so guys, welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make the commentary niche and go viral on YouTube. So as you guys can see right here, I am on a page right now. So the first thing like you guys have to do, I don't want to waste anybody's time. The first thing you guys have to do right now is like you need to find a competitor. This is the competitor that I will be using for this video, and what I'm basically going to be doing, I am going to be using this channel as an example of how to create this viral commentary video that is currently trending on YouTube right now. So as you guys can see right, this channel is making roughly like $1,500 a month, depending on its RPM. Sometimes you can make up to like 2,000, 8,000, 10,000 because this is short form content just by posting content, which you are basically making 20 to 30 minutes a day. So we are going to be using this channel called Viral Rips. So if you are trying to start this video, you need to understand that you need to try your possible best to be averaging thousands of views, like 100,000, 200,000 to millions, so you can be able to monetize as quick as possible. So guys, let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing you guys have to be doing is you have to find a video that you want to make. You can go to TikTok, Instagram, any type of social media platform and find a viral video that you know that okay, you can recreate. For example, now let me say this type of video.
Was the chicken and the rice good?
So you can find this viral video, download it online. After you have downloaded it, you go to your CapCut. But before we move to your CapCut, this type of commentary niche is like text narration. It's not like actual voiceover narration. So it's very easy to make. You don't have to stress yourself. You just need to put some writing with some sound effects and you'll be able to monetize. So guys, let's get right to it. So let's say for example now, I want to make this video right. So if I go to this place right, I will see something like this. Okay, this video got like 3.9 million views and it was posted August 3, and we are on like August 18 right now, as you guys can see right here. So this video went viral. So if you are trying to create this type of video, the first thing I would say is to find your clip. So guys, after you have found your clip, the next thing you have to do is to go to CapCut. So let's go to CapCut now. So if I go to CapCut right now, I'm going to show you guys my timeline and how I was able to edit this video to make it perfect. So if I go to my timeline right here, you guys are going to see a lot of stuff that I did. So I am going to break this down as quick as possible and as simple as you guys can understand it. So now in my timeline, I will first of all mute the background music and just show you guys what I did. So basically the clip, I dropped the clip right here. After dropping the clip, then the next thing I did was adding my text on screen. So to get this black type of text type of thing, you can search your black screen on Google like this. You can go to Google and search for black screen. You can search your black screen, then download it. So after you have downloaded it, or let me just, for example, I would just take a screenshot instead of downloading it. So I will take a screenshot like this and crop it. So I will crop it like this. Yeah, so I will make sure it looks something like this. Yeah. So after cropping, then I will come back to CapCut, and that stuff that I just screenshotted right now, I'll put it into CapCut like this. So after putting it into CapCut like this, the next thing I have to do is to drag it in here like this. And now is to let me just first of all disable all this one that I've done so I can give you guys some inspo. So basically what I did right here is basically adding this stuff. After adding my video to my timeline, then you add this stuff to your timeline, to this black screen. This is going to be like what your text is going to be laying on, you understand? Because your text needs to be somewhere. So I will decrease the size like this, take it upward, then I will have to duplicate it. I will make it 2, then bring the other one up like this, then I will have to crop the upper one to make it short, because basically the dialogue of this video I'm talking about, like, it's 2 persons, so it's about man and woman. So the man is saying stop, 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 so I need to write man on top of this place. Let me show you guys what I mean. So I will decrease the size like this, and as you can see, it's like kind of like double. So now the next thing I have to do is to come to text right here, come to text, put it right here, and write something like man. You can just write man, and you can change the color to any type of color that you want. If you want blue, you can just put blue right there, put it right there, then increase the size. Pretty much easy. It's one of the easiest commentary niche you can do as of right now, guys. So now you now listen to what the man is saying. If the man is saying stop, 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 we have to listen this right now.
Hold on.
So you see he's saying hold on. So now I have to like duplicate this man right here, then change the one that I just duplicated to like white color. So I will change it to white color, come right here and change it to white, then hold on, and make sure you put this stuff, this command beside it, so people know that okay, you are trying to explain what this guy is saying on the video. So it's hold on, so I'll put it right here and do it like this, then make sure everything is intact. Once everything is intact like this, the next thing I have to do is to pre-compose everything. So guys, this is the reason why laptop CapCut is better than phone. If this was phone, we won't be able to do this stuff I'm about to do right now. So I will make everything one. And so what I am going to do is that I am going to be like splitting it, trimming it to where the man is saying, so it can disappear and appear, disappear and appear, something like this.
Hold on.
Something like this.
Hold on.
So I will make it disappear again, trim it and play.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
I'll do the same thing again.
Hold on. 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 Hold on.
Do the same thing.
Hold on. 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 Stop. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
So guys, let's watch.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stop.
So you can see.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
So you can do it seamlessly throughout the ending of the video. If the girl in the video is trying to say wait, you can also come right here, create this exact stuff that you do, and you can change the gear zone. Like you can just write girl is talking, you can just change the color to like orange or something, you know, just pretty much easy. So guys, I will delete this right now and continue with what I was trying to say. So the next stuff you have to do is to add your sound effects. So you have to add a better sound effect like that is going to make your viewers like stick to the video. So something like this. So you see, so you can find those sound effects right here. You can come right here, you can find those sound effects. There is a lot of sound effects right here on CapCut. Just make sure. The one that I used was this one. So this is the one I use right here. So basically this stuff that I did that made everywhere kind of like dark is kind of like simple. So I will show you guys how I was able to achieve that stuff. So I did the same thing by finding like a dark screen. So I basically found a dark screen. Then after I got my dark screen, I put it into CapCut like this. Then after putting it into CapCut, I come to crop right here and make sure I crop it so small so it can fit my screen. So I zoom it like this. So now the next thing that I did was basically coming right here. Came right here and you know make sure it's trimmed at the spot that I want the blacks to like show like that. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to video tab right here and come to mask, then click add mask, then select cycle, then select it to reverse right here, and when you decrease the size, it's going to give it this dark feeling and you can take it wherever you want. So you have to add a little bit of feather so it fades, it's feel natural, you understand, stuff like this. So that's how you do it. So now the next thing you have to do is to make the you know background of the blackness not kind of like dark, something like this. You come back to video and you come to blend mode and you are going to see opacity. So you reduce it to like, let me say 60% or 62 or anyhow you want it, and you are going to see it, boom, you can see. So that's it. So that's what I did right there, and you can even animate it anywhere you want. You can click it right here again and come to mask and come right here to mask settings and click add keyframe. Make sure you add the keyframe on the first frame of the black screen. So now once you move your arrow like this, you can take it to wherever you want. You can take it to follow the driver, you know, anywhere you want. Just make sure you are not overdoing it. So once you play, it's going to animate. You guys can see. So easy peasy. So that is what I basically do. So I will bring this one back. So the last thing I did, guys, was adding my background music, which is this Russia song that is kind of like emotional. So it gives the video more value, more, you know, people will want to like watch and engage and stuff like that. So let's play and let's see.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stop. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stop.
There's cars behind me.
Stop. I told you. I fucking told you.
So simple, you guys. The video is like 15 seconds long, and that's how I was able to like finish it. So this won't even take you up to like 30 minutes or 1 hour to make every single day, just to post on your YouTube and you are going to get monetized once you reach the correct era. 2027 is coming, and you guys need to monetize as quick as possible because YouTube is going to increase their monetization criteria. And if you guys enjoyed this video and want more video like this, you guys should comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.